How to create Best Buy account. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create Login and Delete, and today in this video I'll demonstrate how to create a Best Buy account online. Make sure you watch the entire video to learn how. Now let's get started. Open a web browser and in the URL box at the top, type in www.bestbuy.com and press enter. Choose your country from the options on the next page. Once you're on the official Best Buy site, click on the account drop-down menu and select Create Account. If you already have an account, click Sign In and follow the prompts. When you click on Create an Account, you will be taken to a new page where you need to enter your information. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, and create a strong password with uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character. Confirm the password by retyping it and then enter your phone number and click on Create an Account at the bottom. Once completed, your new Best Buy account will be created. Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics seller headquartered in Richfield, Minnesota. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more video like this. Thanks for watching.